Good afternoon. Hey guys, I'm Roger from Raptor Pack RVing, and with me is my buddy
Bubba J.
Bubba J, better known as Joshua Wilson. Hey guys, today we are at this is our outdoor studio.
Yes.
our glamorous table. Today we are going to talk about survival dinners. A couple weeks back I had these donated to me to try and help out maybe with people around the county, but we have not even opened up one of these, and we're gonna walk you through, so hang tight and we're gonna show you some glamorous dinners that don't even have to be cooked. We'll be right back. All right guys, hey, welcome back. So today, Josh, we are going to walk you through these survival dinners. And I got my killer boxer back here. Get down, go play. All right, a lot of my friends who are veterans out there remember their days of eating MREs, and I've never had to eat those. I guess that's a good thing, but I got a local person after all of our fires this last couple months donated these to me and said, hey, do with them what you want, we don't want them. So these are heater meals X Plus. It is a self-heating meal. Pretty cool. It comes, there's 4 different flavors. We've got Italian style pasta with beans. We have the zesty barbecue sauce with potatoes with beef. Ooh, that's a good one. What do we have here? Chili. Tex-Mex 4-bean chili. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. Or we have
favorite
tandoori seasoned chicken with brown rice. So, in addition, it comes with a protein energy bar, a chocolate crisp. Protein energy, some fruit barrels hard candy, and a grape powder mix. So you would put that in a water bottle. Okay, so what initially stood out, I'll tell you what, save these for an emergency. Don't eat these on a daily basis. Here's the nutritional facts, Josh. 960 calories in one package. Total fat, 16 grams of fat. Saturated fat, 2 grams. Sodium, 1,000 milligrams of sodium. You're gonna get your salt in this. Total carbohydrates, 180 grams. Oh, God help us. Includes 99 grams of added sugars. Added sugars, it's 198% of this comes from added sugars. So let's get into it. So we are going to try today, Josh, we're going to try the Italian pasta with beans. Josh wanted to try that one. So we're going to walk you right through. We've never even seen this. So taking it out, you got a baggie. This is the heater meal. This is, you're going to pour the food heater bag to start. This is, the water is going to, it's a chemical reaction. Here is the candy. You got some candy in here. Fruit barrels. Josh, looks like lemon, lime, orange, strawberry. We have our spoon and napkin.
Yes.
Okay. Here is the grape powder mix for a water bottle. This would go in there. Here's our, oh my God.
Ow!
Ow! That's the protein bar.
A protein bar.
Oh, pretty thick. Then you have, this is the actual, I think, meal right here, in here, and then we have the bag. This is the heater bag that we're going to use. So, insert the unopened meal inside the food heater bag with the meal film side down on top of the meal film. Oh, okay. So we need to tear this open first. So tear that off. right, Josh. Okay, let's see. Okay, here it is. So in here is the heater film. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this right here. That's a heater film. So insert the unopened meal. This is the meal, so we're going to put it into the bag. If I can get it down in there. Okay. Step 2, open the water pouch at the tear notch and pour into the heater bag. Water starts the food heater. Oh wow. Okay. So we're going to open this up right here. I'll tell you, even I could do this. We're going to pour this down into the heater bag. And they say it almost starts immediately. Place the heater bag. Open the water pouch. Okay, place the heater bag and meal on top of box or another heat surface. Okay, so we're going to want to close this up. Okay. We're just going to put it right here. Oh, here's the resealable thing. Oh, so you bring this down and we're going to tape it. Comes with a little label back here. Tape it. Bring that water all over. And we're going to let it sit there. So, says on here, fold the heater bag to the shaded dotted line. Oh, and you know what? You can actually feel it. You can feel it getting hot. Can you feel that?
Yeah. Oh,
and we're spilling water out of it. So, all right. So this is something. I guess if it's an emergency, I don't know if you can see, but the water is literally boiling. There's steam. There's steam coming out of this. Wow, that is hot. Whew. Look at that steam coming out of that.
I know.
And it's filling up. So, and we're gonna let this sit in here. It says here, place the bag in the middle in the box and close the box. So we're gonna put this back down in here. We're gonna close it up, and we're gonna let it cook. Or do I fold this whole thing in half? All right. So we're gonna let that cook. Man, it's hot. This is something. So we're gonna let it cook for, it says here, let it sit for about 10 to 12 minutes. So, yeah, this is something. I gave some to some friends of ours, and he tried it. You gonna try and eat that?
No.
That thing is hard. We got some candy here. You want to try some of this candy? Let's try the candy while dinner's cooking, huh? Because we always do everything backwards. I don't even know how old these boxes are, but these things will probably keep for at least 100 years. You want to try one? Okay. I'm going to try the lime. Apple. This is apple. I gave you cherry. Does it taste like cherry?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean you don't know?
I can't share it.
Well, of course you can't chew, you just suck on it. Well, obviously we're not out in the woods. Here goes the bambalance. Huh. So we're actually waiting for this to cook. Hopefully everybody's having an awesome day. We're over here. Where are we at? Life's always fun with Bubba J around. All right, guys, we are back, and it's been about 10 minutes.
Yes.
Yep. So we are going to take our meal out, and we take it out of the bag that was in with the water, and Ooh, it's still warm. Feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, what we're gonna do, they give you a spoon, a moist towelette. So we have to, this is kind of cool. Do you ever eat dinner without washing your hands?
No.
Even if you're out in the woods making one of these. They give you a little towelette to, God, I'm like a big, well, here, you can wipe your hands with it. We ain't gonna worry about this thing. They give you some salt and pepper, a napkin. So let's see.
Oh, you knocked the box over.
How this came out. Wow. Smells good. Now we're gonna put this into our cardboard box here. That, yes, we did wipe out. So you get a little bit. All right, buddy. So you get about that portion, enough for one person. So you want the first taste?
Yes.
How about a little salt and pepper, huh? So we're gonna, I don't think we need any more salt, son. This thing came with 1,000 milligrams of salt in it. All right, let's see how you like it, Betty. I'm gonna let Bubba J try it first. Here, how about if I hold it? There you go. See how this is. Now this was cooked with water, boiling from a chemical.
Good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me try. That really is not bad.
Mm-hmm.
That is actually really good. We got some pasta in here. We got beans and obviously the tomato sauce. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
It really is not bad. So, and like I said, if we had our water, you've got a packet of grape. It's an electrolyte replenishment, quick serve, lower sodium. So they pack all the sodium in here. Mm-hmm. Leave that out. So, hey, oh, starting to sprinkle. We've been getting some rain here. So the other meals, like I said, this is we're having the Italian pasta. You have the seasoned chicken with brown rice, Tex-Mex 4-bean chili, and barbecue sauce with potatoes and beef. And again, these are the heater meals. X Plus, the self-heating meal designed for extended storage. So if you guys want to prep for emergencies at home, I know in the RV we have a go bag. We have an emergency supply to last us at least a week. If and so these are great to keep because these things will last probably forever. So yeah, hey, just wanted to share this. Heater meals. Until our next video.
Yeah.
Bubba J can't get wet.
No.
So, hey guys, we're gonna sign off. Like we say here at Raptor Pack, stress less. Life is way too difficult. Let little things get to you. But make sure you travel more if you can. If you can't travel more, hey, stress less. So, until our next video, you guys be good. And we'll talk to you later.
Mm-hmm.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Take care, guys.
And I'll introduce you. I didn't. Oh shit!
Oh God, I'm sinking in the ground. Okay. Oh, I'm still sinking in the ground. My fat ass.
What is with you?
I'm sinking in the ground. Okay.
Sit down.
Okay. So fat. From Raptor Pack RVing, my buddy
Josh Wilson.
Joshua Wilson, better known as
Dallas Syndrome.
Bubba J.
Bubba J, I'm sorry.
Okay. Time out, take two.